Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Today we are going to study class 8 mathematics exercise 3.2 question number 1. So question number 1 is consider the universal set U, that is x such that x is a multiple of 2 and x greater than 0 but less than or equals to 30. It means this universal set contains all the even numbers to 30 because greater than 0. So all the even numbers starting from 2 and ending at 30. This is the universal set U. Now set A is x such that x is a multiple of 6. B is x such that x is a multiple of A. You have to find what in the first part. List all elements of set A and B in tabular form. We have to write here the elements of set A and set B in tabular form. What is the set A? Multiples of 6. What is the set B? Multiples of 8. So here the first part is list the elements of A and B. What is the set A? Multiples of 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. And since we have the universal set that stops at 30, that ends at 30, so A should be ends at 30. It can't exceed the 30. So this is the set A. Similarly, B, multiples of 8 till 30. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 8 4s are 32. That is greater than 30, so you will stop here. This is the first part. Now, what is the second part of this one? Find A intersection B, and third part is draw Venn diagram. You have to find intersection of A and B and then Venn diagram. A intersection B. We have to find it. Now find A intersection B. What is the set A? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. And this is the intersection symbol. What is B? 8, 16, 24. Intersection means the elements that is common in both sets A and B. That lies in set A and also in set B. So which element lies in both sets? That is only this 24. So intersection of these sets is only 24. Its third part is draw their Venn diagram. So how to draw Venn diagram? Firstly, you have to draw a rectangle. This rectangle represents the universal set U. And in this question, universal set U is the set of all even numbers from 0 to 30. Then you have to draw two sets in it, set A and set B. These are overlapping sets because they have some element that is common. So draw two circles that overlap each other. Draw two circles that overlap each other. Name this A and name this as B. Now firstly, this is the common region of both circles. So write here the element that is common in both sets, that is 24. 24 we have right here. Now remaining elements of set B, 8 and 16. Right in this part of B, 8, 16. And similarly remaining elements of set A, 6, 12, 18, 30. Right here. 6, 12, 18, 30. Now after these elements that are not in A and not in B, write in this rectangular region that are the part of universal set. 2, 4, 6 is written here, 8 is written here, 10, 12 is this, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, and this one is 30. So this is the universal set which contains all even numbers till 30. This is the set A and this is the set B, and 24 is the common element in set A and set B. In this way diagram completes. Similarly, question number 2 and question number 3 follow the same process as we have solved in question number 1. Similarly, in question number 2, there are given some sets you have to find. Firstly, you have to write elements in tabular form. Then you have to find their union and then their intersection. On the union means you have to write all the elements of set G and set H in one set. And intersection means you have to write only common elements. So similarly, question number 3 can be solved.